Pranav, did you hear what Gadkari said at the ICEMA yesterday?
Yeah, something about making bulldozers go green?
Exactly. He wants the whole construction equipment industry to shift to electric, hydrogen, even green fuels.
Green bulldozers? Sounds like a Marvel superhero.
Funny, but he's serious. FY25 sales already touched 1.4 lakh units, and exports are up 10%. He says if we focus on quality and innovation, global demand will skyrocket.
So, more tunnels, better tech, and fewer emissions?
Yup, plus training operators and making our own advanced machines instead of importing. He's even planning a new bill to support it.
Looks like India's infra story's about to go full throttle, but sustainably.
Exactly, growth with a green twist.